Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and today I'm going to take you to one of the best natural wonder in the Philippines and the only perfect cone volcano or mountain in the world. This is Mayon Volcano of Albay, Philippines. This is going to be another great destination for you if ever you're going to visit the Philippines in the future. So sit back, relax, and enjoy Daragang Mayon. Alright, so I hope that you enjoyed Daragang Mayon in Albay, Philippines. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that I can see you next time. Thank you. Bye.